Real estate investors, for 2023, you're allowed to increase rent by 2.5 percentage points based on the two following criteria. 1. You have to provide 90 days notice from the end of the month via the N1 form. For example, if you intend to increase rent on January 1st, 2023, the latest date to provide the N1 form is September 30th, 2022, not October 1st. 2. You're allowed to increase rent once per 12-month period. For example, if the landlord has increased rent by 1.2% in July 2022, they will have to wait till July 1, 2023 to increase rent by up to 2.5 percentage points with an N1 notice no later than the end of March 2023. There are two exemptions to rent control. 1. New buildings, additions to existing buildings, and most new basement apartments that are occupied for the first time for residential purposes after November 15th, 2018 are exempt from rent control. 2. The guidelines do not apply to certain types of units, including community housing, long-term care, commercial properties, or vacant residential units. Once the tenant moves out, the landlord can reset the rent to current market value at that specific time. Now, you do not have to increase rent by the full 2.5 percentage points. Every scenario is unique. If you've had your tenant for a long time and your current rent is well below market rent, it makes sense to increase by the full 2.5 percentage points. There are 3 factors to consider when deciding by how much to increase rent by. 1. The quality of the tenant and how well they've been taking care of the property. 2. Increase in expenses such as mortgage payment, property tax, utilities, and insurance. You have to take that into account when considering your cash flow. 3. Current market rent in the area. What is your rental units renting for, and then what can you get in current market conditions? In the description below, you will find a link to the N1 form and Government of Ontario's rental increase guidelines. Are you thinking of investing in real estate? Check out this video where I discuss the 3 reasons why now is the best time to invest in real estate. And until next time, happy investing.